Hi, my name's Chris Wright. I'm the assistant principal in charge of the part of the college where we deliver automotive, built environment, construction, engineering, and logistics here at the Manchester College. We offer a full range of vocational, practical, hands-on courses from entry level and level one, which are suitable for students with no prior qualifications, right the way through to level twos and three, and all the way up to higher education courses at level four, such as HNCs. In automotive, we deliver courses in the repair and maintenance of light vehicles, that's cars to you and me, also in bodywork and paint spraying and auto electrics. In the built environment, the courses focus on things like architecture, design, surveying, planning, and all the things you would associate with building structures like houses, schools, factories, hospitals, shopping centres, and tower blocks. In construction, we offer courses in all the trades, including brickwork, carpentering, joinery, electrical installation, painting and decorating, plastering, and plumbing. And you'll learn the theory and the hand skills that will enable you to join those trades. In engineering, we have courses that teach you about mechanical, electrical, electronic, and manufacturing engineering alongside engineering design, and also how each of those disciplines interact within the industries. In logistics, the courses focus on the movement of goods and people from A to B via multiple modes of transport, whether that be trucks, boats, planes, trains, or drones. We have a course to suit everybody's starting point, and new from September 2021, we will be offering the new T levels in building services engineering, design, surveying and planning, and on-site construction. These are brand new 2-year level 3 courses, co-designed and co-delivered with employers that include a minimum of 315 hours of industry placement. We will also be delivering the level 2 equivalent course called the Transition Programme. That delivers exactly the same subjects, has the same industry placement and the same involvement from employers, and prepares you to move into a T level the following September. We have a friendly and highly skilled teaching team, many with recent and up-to-date industrial experience and expertise. We pride ourselves on the amount of partnership work we do with employers from each of the industries and sectors I mentioned earlier. So you're sure to be learning the very latest processes, procedures, and techniques from industry experts, as well as teaching staff. We'll be moving into multi-million-pound facilities at our redeveloped Openshaw campus in September 2021. That will include 2 state-of-the-art motor vehicle workshops, a purpose-built construction centre with an exclusive T-level zone, a fantastic range of engineering workshops, including CAD and BIM suites, along with an immersive suite, a centre which is rich in virtual and augmented reality to enhance and transport your learning experience into and beyond the 21st century. There's support available for a full range of situations, including anything to do with your course or personal circumstances. You'll be assigned an achievement tutor and a mentor who can help you with any of those situations. As well as that, the college has a whole team of support staff who can help you with every eventuality, situation, or circumstance. All of our courses fall under the heading of STEM, and as such, those industries and sectors, particularly construction, are booming and offer lots and lots of opportunities. All of our courses offer the chance to do some work experience, either internally or externally. Our Industry Excellence Academy and Centres of Excellence courses offer an extended industry placement up to a minimum of 315 hours, which is roughly 45 days. A prime example of how work experience or industry placements can help you in the pursuit of your career is that the students who are finishing their ACE scholarship are just about to complete their course and move into a range of different progression routes, such as sponsored employment with employers coupled with training, sponsorship to university to do full degrees, or higher apprenticeships back at the Manchester College. The Manchester College is already the #1 college for achievement in Greater Manchester. We're moving into a new campus in September, and having access to those world-class facilities will really put us at the forefront of vocational education in Greater Manchester, and there will be no better place to learn. The introduction of the new T-level and transition qualifications is also really exciting and offers a new way to learn from industry experts, both in your classroom and out in the workplace, so offering the best of both worlds. They also benefit from the new T Award, a package of benefits including a bursary, access to IT equipment where it's appropriate, branded workwear and PPE, and entry into competition teams for the Greater Manchester Skills competitions and World Skills competitions. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps give you a brief overview of our department. Don't forget to take a look at some of our other videos to learn even more about our department. If you've not yet applied for September, you can do that by visiting tmc.ac.uk. Thanks again, and I can't wait to see you in September 21.